Hello guys, I'm sorry for my pronunciation and my voice. I'm just trying. Enjoy. Samba ng ulay o daw ya may de huboy iya ujin idulay buya yung wanyong bakiya boy wang bilang idin ya boy ya may na